going on, everybody? Chris from Out West with Chris, back out on the California Delta and back out to do some bass fishing. It's a super low tide, kind of a slack tide at the moment, so kind of low. I'm gonna have to figure out where the fish are holding. The fish don't disappear, but their bite kind of does ease up, and they do kind of relocate from their typical structure. If there's a few feet of water next to these, the outside of these reeds, there's still a chance that there will be fish holding in around the reeds and tules. Gonna be throwing the spinnerbait, gonna be throwing the Senko. So we'll see what happens. It's pretty quiet out here, not too many people out on the water. That could change as people start getting off work. It's about 5:30 and it's not too windy, so that's a plus. All right, I'm gonna get after it and I'll let you know how it goes. It's still plenty deep. There's a fish. First fish of the day. He's nothing major, but it's a start. He could help me in one of my tournaments. In fact, yeah, he looks like he will. He choked it too. Chill out, dude. Come on, man. 12. He'll be right at 12. So that'll help in one of the tournaments, the no limit tournament. So, well, once he closes his mouth, yeah, he'll be 12. Thank you for your cooperation. 12 and a quarter. And he's off the release. Try a red Senko. I'm like gonna be the Senko king now. Go from not fishing it at all to, and in like an entire year, to fishing it consistently in a week and catching fish on it. I don't know. Still no major ones. My a viewer, Dylan Giardo, commented on one of my last videos and said, hey, you know, Senkos are good. They'll catch the big ones too, so don't give up on them or something like that. And shout out to Dylan. I actually ran into him on the water, which is always awesome. We were both launched. He was there way early in the morning and I got there kind of late, or else we probably would have fished together. But it was really cool meeting you, Dylan. And he was on his feel free lure. I was in the Vibe Sea Ghost. He's probably thinking, I thought this guy was a feel free guy, you know. But I got a little fish right there. Just, that's so funny. A little tiny fish was on it. So I'm just gonna keep flipping at these reeds and seeing if there's a big guy ready. He was saying that his go-to when there's like a missed topwater blow up or like a frog blow up, his go-to is a Senko in the same area. You know, kind of as a follow-up shot to see if he could get that fish to bite. It's kind of a bummer because that day that I ran into Dylan, I didn't really have a great, I caught a bunch of fish, but nothing was a keeper. I even caught a couple smallmouth, but no keepers. So I'm really not going to make a video out of it. It'd be a kind of a boring video. So, but it was cool running into him, and shout out Dylan. We'll have to hook up one of these days of fish. Inches. Pretty pleased with that. Little fish guitar. Shout out to my buddy Dean. Fish. I don't think he'll. He might not. He might count. Yeah, let's check him out. Float backwards. Stick. 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 Well.